Welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to scroll with pen on Huion 640p pen tablet. So you need to download the drivers on the Huion software, and then click download drivers, and then scroll down and choose the product model. My product model is Edge 640p. Okay, this one, and click the OS. Choose to any OS that you use, and in the category, for instance, I use Windows, and in the category, choose driver and click submit. And after finish, scroll down and choose the newest one. So for instance, this is the newest one, 2022 release, date of release. Click and it will download the file, and wait until the download finish. I have already downloaded the Huion tablet, so now open the folder and right click the zip to unzip the file. So you need to unzip the file, extract, then you click extract again, and after you're done extract, double click to install the driver. So I have installed my driver, so I don't need to install again. So for instance, we press OK. Okay, I will uninstall for the sake of this video. I will uninstall. I will use the mouse now. You know that in this driver you can scroll using mouse, using pen tablet. So after now you can finish installation complete. Now try it now, and then click this is the software. This is the software. After done installing, go to digital pen, and now the default, there are two buttons, the upper button and the lower button. So the lower button is pressing E. If you if you click this button, you will click E, and if you click the upper button, you will click mouse right button. So you can choose which any button here, but I will prefer E. So click E, click that button, then click to mouse key. Click mouse key here, and then click to mouse middle button. So now go to your photo editing software now, or any software. Now press Ctrl on keyboard and press the lower button on the pen. So go back and mouse middle button. Okay, now this is how you can achieve. You can scroll using pen on your Huion 640p. So that's it. How you can download the driver. How can you set? And I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Thank you.